Hey guys, let's see what we have today. Here is the XIAOMI MIJIA lint cleaner. Let's see the specs first. We have 3.7 volts, 1 amp, 5 watts. Something else here should be USB Type-C charger, or at least cable. That's how you use it. Let's now open the box. We have a little sticker here. Okay. Let's see what we have in the box. It's a nice bag. Hope they included a cable at least. This little tool to clean it. And I don't really see where the cable is. Should be right in the box. Okay, we have the cable too. USB to USB Type-C. That's good. Let's now open the package. It's a bit of sticker here. You should save this back to keep it clean. So here is the charger. Nice. Let's open this. Sound very sharp blades. Okay. Going to see if this is charged. Doing a test. Should press this button forward. Wow, that's very powerful. Okay, we have this t-shirt here. Now on this side looks pretty good, but if you turn it here, you can see the trouble. Let's see how this will work. I say it did a pretty good job. As you see, it's a lot better. Let me stop the noise. The noise is very annoying. It catches everything here inside. You can see even on the front side we have little dots. Now this is a pretty good tool. If you like it, maybe subscribe to our channel, and we'll try to bring more products. Thanks for watching. Until next time.